How to bind a trading account to a user. Administrators can link existing trading accounts to specific users. In this video, we will show how administrators can use the BO Users widget in ProTrader to bind and unbind trading accounts to and from specific traders. To bind a trading account to an existing user, navigate to the BO Users widget. Find the user to whom you would like to bind the trading account and click on the Edit button. In the pop-up window, navigate to the Trading Accounts tab and then click Bind Account. Next, specify the trading account number you wish to bind to the user, and then select the access level. Owner, primarily used for joint accounts. The account owner can perform any trading operations and modify or close the trading account. Full, the user can perform any trading operations. Close positions only. The user can only close positions, not open them. Read-only, unable to place orders. The user can view ongoing trading operations but cannot perform any. Click OK. The trading account has been successfully bound to the trader, who can now select this trading account in the header of the trading terminal. Unbinding trading accounts from traders. Similarly, to unbind a trading account from a user, navigate to the BO Users widget. Find the user from whom you wish to unbind the trading account and click on the Edit button. In the pop-up window, navigate to the Trading Accounts tab, hover over the trading account you wish to unbind, and then click the Unbind Account Action button. In the pop-up window that appears, click OK. The trading account has been successfully unbound from the trader.